Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to connect Discord to Fivem. Launch your Discord app on your computer and then log in to your account. After that, click the gear icon below to open the user settings. Next, go to Connections tab. Now in here, locate the Fivem application, then click on it. Next, log in your account on Fivem. And after doing all of that, your Discord and Fivem should now be connected to each other. To check if it is successful, then go to the authorized app and see if the Fivem application is there or not. And that's all.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.